High energy industries need high energy marketing. High energy marketing means bold content and dynamic typography. We compiled our best typography templates for these markets here in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fast Typography Templates Countdown. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Typography Opener by Shymoff. Create a fast-paced atmosphere for any audience with this energetic template that has raced to the start of our list today. Bright colors, fast transitions, and geometric shapes all work together with bold typography to engage viewers. Number 9. Bright Typography by Mushuk. Large fonts take the spotlight in this eye-catching presentation template. It's perfectly suited to social media video marketing for travel brands, sporting goods distributors, and impactful photography portfolios. Number 8. Typography by The Realist Shop. Trendy text effects are applied to a premium kinetic typography, making this video the perfect addition to a website or blog. Use it to effectively market your products or services in a style that's as hyperactive as a 5-year-old with a bag of sweets. Number 7. Glitch Typography by The Realist Shop. The number 7 addition to our list of Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fast Typography Templates Countdown is packed full of 66 mixable kinetic typography elements. The drag and drop glitch effects and fast rendering make it super easy to edit. Number 6. Stomp Typography by SM Motion. Pair your own powerful imagery and videography with the fast typography in this template to create a jarring yet engaging effect to keep any audience enthralled with the message you're trying to convey. Help us continue to write our story by supporting us with a like and share. Hitting the subscription bell will keep you up to date with future Envato videos just like this. Now let's find out the top 5 entries in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fast Typography Templates list. Number 5. Kinetic Typography by ProMac. Great copy paired with energetic video content is the perfect way to boost sales and increase engagement. No matter what words you need to accentuate, this is one of the best typography templates to help your copy stand out. Number 4. Chaotic Typography by Yeti. This template pack includes 20 professionally designed typography posters with 13 infinite loops and 7 scenes with versatile animation. No plugins are required, making this a highly desirable resource for beginner and pro editors alike. Number 3. Typography Promo by Red VFX. Smooth transitions and bold fonts pair up with stylish shapes to create a modern, impactful, and highly effective promo template for use in After Effects. This template will be an asset for businesses in fashion, design, and other creative industries. Number 2. Typography Glitch Promo by Ants Design. With abstract elements and dynamic motion, this fast typography template pack makes it way too easy to promote your next project, market your brand, or share your personal and professional ideas. Number 1. Typography by Deative. Available in social media post and story formats, as well as in 4K, the number 1 template on our list today simply sells. It includes stunning design aspects, effective transitions, and, of course, big, bold typography. Would you use the items on this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fast Typography Templates list in your next project? Let us know by leaving a comment below. If watching this countdown has helped you in any way, we'd love to see you subscribe, like the video, and share it with any other people you think will benefit from watching. The next video has been made just for you, so be sure to watch it before you go. You can find all the best fast typography templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Now, get out there and tell your story with fast typography.